Hey guys! It's 10:21. Magbo-board na ata kami. We're about to board. Hello! Unsan manidong? Unsan manidong? Unsan manidong? Parang malinaw. Welcome to Philippine Airlines. We are now boarding Cebu City. We are now going to Cebu. Ang layo nito. Guys, sumakit yung ngipin ko kaya because of the altitude. Hi guys. First time namin nandito na po kami sa entrance na Cebu. My top is from Uniqlo.
Pants.
Uniqlo rin.
Shoes.
Converse.
Shades.
Actually, hindi ko lang sa factory. Baka Gardenia.
Careful, don't jump into patient cords at below.
Hi guys, ang init. Like, sobrang init. Okay guys, so papunta na po kami sa Plaza 2. Hi! 3, 2, 1, pose. Hi guys! Nasa Siargao na kami, finally. Ang masasabi ko, kasi Ireland to, ang lakas makamasbate. Alam niyo, hindi pumunta masbate.
Ayun, nakikita ko sa TikTok.
Ang wala kang remembrance mo.
Okay, ito.
Hey!
Guys, so tapos na kami mag-surfing. Ang masasabi ko,
Masaya.
Nung
Pero
una
masaya, pero masaya
nung una mahirap, parang gusto ko na mag-give up. Pero kasi once na
Hindi ako
makuha mo na,
Hindi ako makatayo.
once makatayo ka
Hindi ko
na,
nanghihina yung...
makakatayo ka na talaga. Like, need mo lang tumayo at mahulog.
Yeah, uy. What can you say about Siargao?
I'm listening to BTS by Katy Perry.
Animals in nature.
So, tapos na kami.
Emergency. Basic Dr. B.
Tapos na kami mag-surfing. Tapos ngayon, saan lang tayo pupunta?
Hi guys, hello.
Ay, wala personality.
Your name Aya. I'm with Aya. Yana.
Rue! It's Rue! Ayaw nga pala.
Sean. Riel.
Day 2. Day 2.
Wala na storage si Gaya.
Nasa ano na kami, tourist camp. Nasa TC kami. Mag-trip po kami today.
See you all in a minute.
Welcome to Siargao!
Away lang! Kaway!
The name is here.
Oh my gosh!
Baby anemone. It's living peacefully.
Peacefully tapos hawakan.
It's there in the middle. It is small. Can you say? We shall not destroy its home. The ecosystem, this is so crazy.
Hey guys, so medyo madilim. Pero
Damn, so dark.
Nasa bridge po kami. Puro siya food stuff. So Food Avenue. Okay, that's all. Hi guys, so yung dinner natin ngayon is Chon Value with rice. Free drink. It's 100 lang siya. Sulit siya. Ay, only in Siargao. Welcome to Assam Bridge. Sinadya nila yung guys. Hindi ko lang kung bakit. Thanks for supporting my project. Hey guys, so it's the third day, it's the last day. Magsa-surf po sila. Tapos ako, props. I'm a tired girl. Sino ba nagsabi na? Hey guys, so now we're here sa Cebu Pacific. Nandito maya pa yung flight pa Manila. Tawan-tawa? Assistant? Ay, nag-vlog ka. Hi guys!
Came here on parade. Tapos may ganun.
Ang astig.
So kailangan
Drive.
Free to touch. Free to hold. But if you break it, it considers
3, 2, 1. Ganito, diba? 1, 2, 3. Duh. 1, 2, 3. Duh. Kasi na may timing. 1, 2, 3. Duh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Duh. Kami ang mga pabebe girls. Wala kayong pakialam. Pabebe kami. Bye.
Balance is your new.
Bye.